Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view history in Zen Browser. First thing I want you to do is just launch up your Zen Browser, and then what I want you to do is come to the top left. You'll see these three dots. I want you to just go ahead and click on this, and this will open up a drop down menu, and then here you'll actually see history. So I want you to just click on this history right here. It will open up more options, and you can see the recently closed tabs here. You can also go ahead and see all of your recent history, and if you want you can click here on manage history or search history to see your full history list, as you can see right here, or you can just click on the other one to manage your history. And as you can see, we have it here for today, yesterday, for example, everything, including your downloads, tags, bookmarks, anything. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.